wonderful, wonderful dribbling ability. Here's a chance. Tries one in. Nice header. This is Tamuda. They've got it back. Owen. Here's Tamudo. The defender gets a foot in. This is Owen. Pass and left. David Villa. What a skill, it just takes the breath away. It's Tamudo. What was outnumbering them here? Loses it. Shooting chance here. Just stopped him in his tracks. Free kick in the leg. Terry. Just couldn't resist, could he?
You've got to try and shut everything off around you when you're trying to score goals.
Cole. He's calling for a free kick, it's to England. Defender was always going to be first. David Villa. This is Tamuda. The players committed to this attack.
The goalkeeper did brilliant there. He stood up all the way, watched it, and made a terrific stop.
Xavi has gone across to take this corner for Spain. It's the defender. Another play for a corner. Owen. Free kick to England. And the yellow card is coming out of the referee's pocket. Interception. David Villa. This kind of runner with the ball is such a danger to defences.
Brilliant goalkeeping. Now they've got to defend this corner.
Great block by the defender. So let's see what happens with this corner. The shot blocked. Just stopped him in his tracks. The first half is over. The players head for the dressing rooms. It's 5-0. We go with these.
Well, there's no question that Betis they scored early on and they've continued to impress me in that 35 minutes.
Michael Owen now. Need to get some men forward here. Fine header. Needs to protect the ball better. Did well there. David Villa. This is Rooney. He's having a go. Gerrard will take this corner for England. This is Cole. Here's Tabudo. Xavi now. David Villa. The kick's been given. Spain bringing men forward. Great block. Australia corner to Spain. What can they make of it? Here's Michael Owen. Just stopped him in his tracks. Here's Wayne Rooney.
Better opportunity than this in the whole game. They've got to make these count.
This is the manager. He's going to try it. He's given away a corner there. They've got some defending to do. That's dangerous. Out the ball goes. Now Ferdinand. He only has to
Thank that goalkeeper because he has done brilliant there.
Ball's got out of play. It's caught into Spain. And they take advantage. Rooney. Oh yes, nicely done. Straight through. Didn't hold it. The decision is a corner kick. England defenders coming up for it. Needs a decent cross. Will be another corner. Real chance here. Oh, what a catastrophe! They did well there, good defending. There's a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Now, is he going to do anything else? It's a yellow card. The referee had no doubts.
That's the second player to go into the referee's book. They've got to be a little bit careful.
That was a really good opportunity.
That's a very good effort, and that nearly caught the goalie out.
It's Marchena now. Xavi. Wonderful close control. Defender. Goal!
This doesn't happen by chance the way he keeps on getting himself in the right positions. He's just very good at it.
So easy to apply the brakes or free wheel when you get so far in front. They're not quite as far in front now. Here's Tamudo. Still looking to increase the lead if they possibly can. Owen. Collected at the back then. He got the ball, the referee driving away the protest. And he's in the box. He's not allowed for that. It's an England corner. Gerrard is a good crosser of the ball. And another corner.